Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Green color, orange color, violet color, purple color, dark blue color, yellow color, light blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A. A is for apple. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for grapes. H. H is for house. I. I is for ink. J. J is for juice. K. K is for kite. L. L is for net. M. M is for man. N. N is for nose. O. O is for orange. P. P is for parrot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rose. S. S is for sun. T. T is for toy. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for watch. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yacht. C. C is for zebra.
Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.